So don't buy this type of reusable pods, otherwise you will destroy your Nespresso machine. In this video I will try to explain why, what to look for, and the physics behind and why this happens. And in the end, a good tip for you. So as I said, this type of reusable pods made from stainless steel are a really good investment for your Nespresso coffee machine. But this type of pods might destroy your machine if you are not buying the right one. So right to the chase, what I wanted to show is exactly in this area. Here we have two types of pods. This is the original pod that you can buy, and this is the reusable one. So you see on the back of the pod there is this this area where the knives of this brewing head is puncturing in order for water to go through the pod. So some of the reusable pods here have a flat area. What this does to your knife in the brewing mechanism is actually bending the knives, and then the machine will not work anymore, or you will have leakage or other problems. So what you have to take care of it, is have this type of pods that have a dent in this area for the knives to sit and not bend them anymore. So let me show you how this looks like. So you see the chamber where the pod sits over here. As you can see, there are three small knives that have the meaning of puncturing this area, where the water gets with pressure inside the pod, and this area of the pod gets perforated or punctured as well from the pressure itself. So those knives over here get a little bit bended, and then you will have leakage through this area, or even the machine will not dispense water or coffee anymore. So again, be careful to have this type of pods with bended shape at the end of the pod. And if you still are here in this video, I also want to give you another tip of buying this type of pods. Make sure you buy ones with gasket over here. So I don't know if you can see it, but this one has a rubber gasket over here. This will offer a little bit of protection against leakage. For example, this is not an original pod. It doesn't have any type of O-ring over here. But if you buy an Nespresso original pod, it has a silicone rubberish O-ring over here that works against leakage in this area. So for these reusable pods, just buy one with this rubber over here. So guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I will gladly respond to any of your questions. And make sure to enter my storefront where you can buy pods or spare parts for your specific machine. And this will also help me with the affiliated link to go on with the channel. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.